Alright everybody, this is Craig. I'm going to mount a quick release plate for my trolling motor that I'm putting on my new boat I just got. And I thought I'd go through the process for those of you that have never done it. I spent 9 years building boats, so I'm actually not too bad at it. So first thing you got to do is make sure nothing's in the way. I've already checked my hatch door, my cleat, everything's good. It's out. It's got to be sticking out enough so it's not going to hit the boat. The problem is the plate is wider than the area that I have to work with. So I'm only going to use the 6 last bolts in the back and let the rest hang over. It's pretty thick, it's pretty solid, so I think it'll be fine. And there's no way to reach in there to put nuts on it, so I'm going to use stainless steel lag screws, which will hold it extremely well. So now what I've done is I got it where I want to put it. So now I'm going to mark my holes. I'm only going to do one hole so I can make sure that all the holes line up because it's offset a little bit, and I've actually got a spacer that I got off of Amazon that I'm going to have to put underneath, and they're the perfect height to keep this plate from touching the gunnel rail. It holds it up maybe 1/8 of an inch, so they're perfect. But first I've got to get all my holes drilled. So I'm going to go ahead and drill one hole here. The reason I'm doing it this way is because it's hard to line them up because it's not flat. So this is the easiest way I can figure out how to do it. Without having to do everything 100 times. I'm sure you know what I mean. So, we're going to put a little caulk on that hole. Put our spacer in there. We're going to stick a screw in that sucker. Now I won't cinch it all the way down because I got to be able to move it. See, I don't think that drill bit's big enough. My pilot hole's not big enough, I don't think. We'll see. Yeah, that's what the hole looks like, big enough. So, hopefully I can get this thing out without breaking it. Trial and error. A little bit bigger drill bit in there. Don't want it too big, but we'll re-drill it. Make sure we get it. Alright, that's not working, so I'll do it this way. It's not going to take a lot. As you can see, it gets all over the screw when you put it in. Well, let's try that again. Try a new screw. You want it tight though, you don't want it too loose, because that can cause problems in itself. Put it in the wrong hole though. See? That's why I say, man, you gotta pay attention to what you're doing. Obviously, I wasn't paying attention. Okay. We'll leave that one there. And this up another one. Once I get 2 of them in, then I'll put all the rest of them in, because they'll be pretty straight. I'm going to do this one a little bit different. Just put it right on the screw. Run it down in there. Alright, now we'll just pre-drill all the rest of the holes. It should be good. I don't edit my videos either. I figure live is better, so when you see me make mistakes, don't make the same mistake. Know what I mean? One there. One there. One there. And one there. And there you have it. if you can see it in the video or not, but it's literally about an 1/18 of an inch off of the top rail here, so I don't have to worry about hitting nothing. That's plenty strong enough. That ain't going nowhere. And I haven't upset anything. My door still works fine. I can still use my cleat. That was the main thing. I didn't want to upset anything on the boat. Now comes the wire part. Now we've got to run wires. Install a plug, which is right here. There's the plug we're going to use. Nice little door on it, try to keep some of the salt water out. And I'm probably going to put it somewhere right in here, since this is where the mount is. Now the biggest problem with this one is I don't have any hole saws, so I'm going to have to use a drill bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to use a drill bit, and then I'm going to have to water the hole out to get it to fit. You really can put it anywhere you want, but I don't want to put it over there because of the anchor and everything. I'm going to put it like right over here, right underneath it. Although I could put it right here. I think that's what I'm going to do. Put it right there. And we can drop it straight down.